Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy healthcare stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. As I said, today we're taking a look at 3 healthcare stocks. Now, the only thing better than a strong buy is when all analysts agree and we have a unanimous strong buy, and that's what we have today. So all the companies today have nothing but buy ratings from Wall Street. We're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Just before we get into that, I want to point out an exciting new feature on the TipRanks website with the options page. When you're looking at any of your favorite stocks on the TipRanks website, you can head over to Options on the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a variety of expiration dates by week and month, the amount of strikes that you want to view, and a stacked or side-by-side view. Here you'll have your calls, your puts, and your strike prices. So check out the Options page for yourself over on the TipRanks site and let me know your feedback in the comments down below. Now let's get right into these 3 strong buy healthcare stocks. We'll be starting off with a company called LNTH. Trading under the ticker LNTH, their stock is currently priced at $84.67 per share, with a market cap of $5.87 billion. Now, the stock has seen growth of 25% overall in the last year, but is down a couple percent in the last few months. LNTH provides innovative diagnostics, targeted therapeutics, and AI solutions to help clinicians find, fight, and follow disease. For more than 60 years, LNTH has delivered life-changing science to patients and providers, going further to improve outcomes and lives. Their products have practical applications in oncology, cardiology, and more. Their broad portfolio of products include PYLARIFY, which is a PET imaging agent for metastatic prostate cancer, plus their PYLARIFY AI, which is an artificial intelligence platform that assists in the evaluation of some PET images. Their next quarterly earnings report will be coming up soon on July 26th. On their previous one on May 4th, they did come out with a solid earnings beat. And they've had a fairly solid track record of earnings beats in the last couple of years. On May 4th, they reported earnings per share of $1.47, coming in comfortably ahead of that $1.29 estimate. For the quarter, they also reported revenue of $300.78 million. Analysts will be anticipating earnings of $1.31 on July 26th, with this a notable year-over-year increase. The LNTH stock currently has 7 analyst ratings, and of course I ruined the surprise at the start of the video, but yes, they do all come in with a buy. Their average price target comes in at $121 per share, which would be a notable upside potential of over 43%, and we see pretty tightly grouped price targets over here on the right. Down below, our most recent is from 18 days ago, and the rest all coming in the previous month, ranging from 35 all the way to 53% upside. Second on our list today, we're looking at NTRA. Their stock trades under the ticker NTRA, currently priced just above $51 per share. They have seen a bit more volatility this year, but overall are up 27%, though fairly flat overall in the last 3 months. NTRA engages in genetic testing services. They are a global leader in cell-free DNA testing, dedicated to oncology, women's health, and organ health. Their cutting-edge technology platform combines novel molecular biology techniques with bioinformatics software and AI, allowing detection down to a single molecule in a tube of blood. They've leveraged this platform to develop the most accurate, non-invasive prenatal test on the market, the first tumor-specific assay for truly individualized cancer care, and best-in-class rejection assessment for kidney transplantation. Now, the company is not quite yet profitable when it comes to earnings, but in their last quarter, they did see revenue grow over 24%. They did post a wider than expected loss at $1.23 per share. The next quarter will be coming up on August 3rd, where they're anticipating a loss of $1.08. Revenue came in at $241 million, and that was an increase of 24.5% year over year. They also processed approximately 626,000 tests in the first quarter, and that was an increase of 28%. The NTRA stock currently has 12 analysts giving them a buy rating. And their average price target comes in at $75 per share, which would be a growth potential of 47% over the next year from current prices. Most recent rating came in 9 days ago with an upside potential of nearly 65%, and all the rest from a couple months ago ranging from 35 to 59% upside. And third on our list is Thermo Fisher. Their stock trades under the ticker TMO, currently priced at $525 per share. Now, they have seen some more ups and downs this year and overall have come out pretty flat. Year to date, actually down 5% and 11% in the last few months. Thermo Fisher serves the science industry, providing analytical instruments and equipment and software and services. They help support science research, analysis, discovery, and diagnostics, operating through their life sciences solutions, analytical instruments, specialty diagnostics, and laboratory products and services segments. The company has over 125,000 colleagues and generates $44 billion in revenue. Their next earnings report will also be coming out on July 26th. Where analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $5.43. That beats their recent earnings back on April 26, where they came out in line with expectations on earnings per share and reported first quarter revenue of $10.71 billion. Their stock currently has 11 analyst ratings. Of course, coming in as a strong buy with a price target of $644. That would be an upside potential of 22%. And the most recent rating came in just today from an analyst at Credit Suisse, giving it an upside of over 18%. Many more around that 20% mark coming in the last couple of months. So there we have 3 stocks in the healthcare sector, all coming in with unanimous buy ratings from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these stocks in the comments down below. Which catches your eye the most, and what do you think of their future growth potential? I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just meant for some information and entertainment, and letting you know what those Wall Street analysts are up to. So please make sure you do your own research and due diligence. If you made it to the end, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.